Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure 1099 MISC reporting in Zoho Books, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring 1099 MISC reporting in Zoho Books, first, log in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings option located in the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, look for the taxes section and click on it. Within the taxes section, you will find an option labeled 1099. Click on the 1099 option to start the configuration process. Next, select Manage 1099 Vendors to proceed. Add a new 1099 vendor by clicking on the New Vendor button. Fill in the necessary details for the vendor, including their name and tax identification number. Make sure to specify the type of payments made to this vendor under the 1099 category. Once you have entered all required information, click Save to add the vendor. Now return to the 1099 section and select the 1099 types. Choose the appropriate 1099 MISC type based on your reporting needs. After selecting the type, click Save to confirm your selection. Next, head to the Transactions tab to categorize your transactions for 1099 reporting. Here, you will identify transactions related to each 1099 vendor. Use the filter option to quickly find transactions linked to a specific vendor. Once you find the transactions, ensure they are marked correctly for reporting. If any transactions are not marked, annotate them accordingly. Now, return to the 1099 section and choose Preview 1099. This will provide a summary of all reported transactions for your review. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing the report. Once satisfied, proceed by clicking on File to generate your 1099 MISC forms. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the filing process. After filing, print or download the forms as needed for your records. Congratulations, you have successfully configured 1099 MISC reporting in Zoho Books. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.